Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MNKD. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. And that question revolves around the fact that today was a very nice move. Nobody's going to sit around and say that today wasn't a good move. Everybody would agree it was a good move. But that does bring up the question, is there any sort of true power behind this move? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but the good news is, like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And it all revolves around a couple levels that I've actually talked about in previous analysis videos I've done, which is these red and green lines down here. First thing I'm going to do is a little house cleaning. Yes, these lines still pertain, but given the price is now way up there, they're pretty irrelevant. However, this level down here at 67 cents is not irrelevant because this is the level that's going to help us answer a question. And the whole concept here revolves around a basic principle in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. And hopefully we can all agree on this logic that price movements with true power, with genuine strength, the price is going to progress forward, not go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, a price movement that's truly strong is not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about 67 cents. Any sort of closes below it, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what is that doing to the price? That's putting the price right back within this range where it already was. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price pulls back here, not saying it will, but let's just pretend, bounces around and then heads back up. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have this set of lows down there. If you picture each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you still have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what you want to see. That's what truly strong moves do. Now, preferably speaking, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? If the price can hold up there above, whoops, what is that right there, at 75 cents, that would be the best case scenario. But by no means am I saying that if 75 cents doesn't hold, that everything's ruined or anything like that. Now, what about areas of resistance? If this move is going to continue upwards, where are some of these potential battlegrounds at? For this, going to have to scrunch up the chart here a little bit, go back into the chart's history. Actually, we're going to go to a daily time frame now. I didn't realize we'd have to go back this far. This is a good problem to have. It's been a while since the price has been up this high. So let's see. Next key level of resistance, right up there at that point. Is that where it's almost 87 cents? Where is 87 cents coming from? If you look back here through the history, back here in August when the price made the big move, 87 cents is where it rejected. Got close to it today, but not quite. So 87 cents definitely the key level going into the remainder of the week, but no doubt about it, very, very nice way to start off the week. So it'll be interesting to see if the bulls can build upon this momentum going forward. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.